Hi, today I'm with me ZTE Blade A71 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should open the settings of the Gmail application. And after that, just tap on the right upper corner. So now we can see here our Gmail account. If you want to log out from Gmail application, from Gmail account, you should first log out from Google accounts on our device. And to do that, we should click to manage accounts on this device, tap to this account and click remove account. After that, confirm your action by click to remove account again. And now we can see that in Google account settings we successfully log out from Gmail account. So now let's go back to the application and we can see that we successfully log out also from Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.